Thanks for tuning in to Specialty Gear Drives. Today we're doing a repair on a Lufkin S148CH Gearbox. This thing's a heavy-duty powerhouse. It's frequently relied upon in industries like oil and gas. When a machine this critical fails, you really need someone like SpecialtyGearDrives.com. The repair starts with a complete teardown. We take a look at everything, from the double helical gears to the bearing journals. We found signs of severe wear requiring immediate attention. Our solution? We completely replaced all worn-out components, including the installation of new, high-quality bearings and seals. The core of the rebuild is precision reassembly, making sure to reset the bearing floats and preloads, ensuring proper mesh, and restoring the gearbox to its original high load capacity and efficiency. The result is a gearbox that is fully certified and ready for years of demanding service. For expert repair on your Lufkin or any industrial gearbox, visit SpecialtyGearDrives.com and ask about our 24-month warranty. SpecialtyGearDrives.com.